Okay, doing a service call. Came out to this water heater last night and they could not get the spark to ignite. There's something going on with it. I think it was pretty wet. It's still pretty wet. So we're gonna change out the burner assembly. You're supposed to do this. No wonder the igniter doesn't work. Can't even, I don't even know how they get these things in here. It's such a shit show. There we go. Sure his gas is on.
Hmm? Yeah, it's on. I even checked it yesterday. I can't take this off.
Oh, I know. This stupid thing's below grade 2, or I just shove it right out of my way.
You see now?
You can Well, David, how are we gonna work on this thing?
You got you see a spark?
I see it. God damn it. Piece of goddamn Bradford whites. Hate these.
But you normally
hate these water heaters.
But normally you never had a problem with them.
Me?
Almost every one of them you ever called, John, always worked.
Yeah, but I still hate them. You can't work on the valve without pulling the whole fucking burner assembly
Oh,
out.
right, yeah.
It's just a shit show. There's a little, the spark isn't as nice as I'd like, so let me, one thing, something else. I just don't like them. This one's better, I guess. Light so I can get out of the sunshine here. Yeah, Bradford whites, man. I know they're great for you, but they're not my water heater of choice.
Yeah, next month I'll be getting a whole different types. I mean, they're coming out working, so very few Bradford whites. Mostly,
probably Ream.
Oh, I wish they were Ream.
Yeah, Reams are good. I bet you do.
No, but they're all 7, 8 years old.
Tell you what, I just...
You got spark?
Yeah, I see it. It's not as great as I would like it to be. Who knows, though, you know? I mean, trying to fit that thing in there, it could have got bent or twisted or turned, and then the gas doesn't hit the spark, or the spark rod moves a little bit, and then...
Just a little bit, yeah. Not kick it
off.
off.
Like a millimeter. Yeah. And then it causes it to... Okay, I finally got it lit. Alright, we're getting the hell out of here, dude.
Stay on?
Yeah, so far. I'm leaving it on pilot. I didn't put the burner assembly back together because I didn't want to take it all apart again. thought it was dumping
I can
gas.
see the light from here. I just seen it a minute ago. A flash.
Yeah, it sounded like it was dumping gas in there, but it wasn't catching the pilot light, and that gets dangerous after a while.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, you'll get a blowback, little tiny explosion, scare the shit out of you. I mean, flames out to here, you know. But it caught it. I just couldn't hear it because I was.
Yeah, is it going now?
I was listening to the. Yeah, we're good. We got it, man. We had to bend the spark rod over. That sucks. That's why I don't like working on those.
That status light is going.
Yeah, everything's going. It's burning. It came up pretty, you know, at a decent. It came up at a decent clip, so you know the thermopile is good on it. Yeah, saved another one. It was crazy. Alright, we're getting out of here.